Imagine a party going on. Is your child one of the first to grab the mic? Or does he vanish from the scene when there's an opportunity to go grab the mic? If you're talking about the latter, then we definitely have a shy child. And trust me, there are so many shy children. And trust me, it's not a rarity. My son is an introvert as well. So here's my question to parents who worry about introverted children. It's absolutely normal. Many of us do think that they can be antisocial when they grow up. It's not true. They love people, they love parties. They just don't want to perform in front of a crowd, and that's okay. I think the first thing that we need to remember as parents is that we don't force them if they are not comfortable performing in front of a crowd. It's perfectly normal to be an introverted child. They could grow up to be gregarious individuals. We never know. So instead of saying that your child doesn't like friends, doesn't like having friends, you could say it takes him a little longer to make friends. That would only be fair. So here's a pro tip. If you have an introverted child, if you have a shy child, please set him up in front of an audience that's very accepting and kind. This is very important for them. Make sure that the audience is not very judgmental and they can be very encouraging. This is extremely important for the child to blossom. Pro tip 2. Make sure that they get adequate practice, because practice brings in predictability and that helps them perform better. So in our seminar, we're going to make sure that all of these kids come up on the stage multiple times and they'll definitely get their fear out, whether they're an introvert or an extrovert. And we make sure that it's a very kind and accepting environment.
And go.
The workshop is starting from 30th April to 10th May. Register now.